welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Nelly Sadua, and on this channel we do hair, beauty and lifestyle videos. So following on with the trend on YouTube right now, vlogtober it is. Okay, so I'm going to be making a fall makeup tutorial. It's a simple look, simple fall look, guys. It's a simple fall look that you can easily fix up for every day if you want to go the Halloween kind of thing every day. So this is a very simple look for you to work with every single day. So let's just get right into how I got this entire look. So first of all, because during the fall season it tends to be a little bit drier for those of us who have oily prone skin, so we tend to do a lot of moisturizing and a lot of skin care during this time. So basically because of that, I'm going to be using a moisturizer, and for me I'm using this soothing and moisture aloe vera 99%. It's an aloe vera stopper gel. You can use this for a moisturizer if you don't have money to start getting branded moisturizers everywhere. Okay, so let's get right into this. Afterwards, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Face Finish All Day Primer. I'm going to be using this to prime my face. So make sure before you begin your makeup look, you've already done your skincare for fall, okay? For those of us who have oily skin, our skincare tends to change as the seasons change, okay? So you should have already done your skincare before coming to begin your makeup look. So for oily prone skin, we're going to first of all bake our face. Not really bake, but just use some setting powder all over our face. Before right now, Satchel Buttercup setting powder. So all you want to do with this is just press this into your skin. You're not rubbing, you're just pressing, okay? So at this point, we're going to begin with our brows.